Morning, 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 morning. I look at this stunning countryside that I am stood right now, and I just wanted to share what laughter yoga is all about and why we need more laughter in our lives. And so laughter is massive mood changer. It can release anxiety. It can it increases endorphins, because obviously you get a lot of air into your lungs, which then puts blood around the body, which just makes you feel more alert and alive and awake. And laughter yoga was invented back by Dr. Kataria back in '96 in Mumbai, and he realized that actually our bodies don't know the difference between real laughter and fake laughter. And actually the what you can do, you can fake it until you make it. So the point is of laughter yoga is that you create lots of different laughter exercises, to, I suppose, trick your body into thinking that it is laughing. And and you remember those days when you used to uncontrollable laughter. Hello, Kathy. Kathy knows what it's all about, don't you? So what I wanted to do, I'm going to do a little laughter exercise, because I'm stood here in a field right now, and I thought I would do tractor laughter, because it's let me see if I can turn this. Well, there's a bit of a trail, which is a tractor trail. So what we're going to do, we're going to start our tractor. And the yoga bit of laughter yoga is the breathing, because as you can tell, when you're laughing, you get out of breath quite quickly. So I'm just going to do a quick. And I've got a bit more to do in there. I've got a bit more tractor ready. And one of the other things about laughter yoga is just being playful and just being childlike, because we're just too serious. I just did a laugh. Look at the laughter path. Your body doesn't know the difference. I don't know if this is real or fake. I don't know. And that's what laughter yoga is. Yeah. So have a great Saturday, whatever you have to. Get some giggles in your life. All right, bye.